going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Dogecoin again today. So looking at Dogecoin, we can see that we are starting to gain more money here. We are back at 34 cents. We went all the way down to 29 cents with Dogecoin earlier. So it is definitely good news that now today we are up to 34 cents. So we jumped up 4 cents within the last day. So that is really good news here with Dogecoin. Let's look at it from a more broader perspective here. So looking at it from a closer view, you can see we are still on an uptrend here. Remember, anything can happen with crypto, and I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, but as you can see, Dogecoin was in a consolidation period when it jumped, and like I said, at the end of all of our consolidation periods, we always end up jumping, because what I mean by the consolidation periods, you can see it's reaching the top of the trend line here, top of the trend line. So you're having the high staying at the same point here, but then you're having the lows increase, so the lows are becoming higher. So now you're not having as low of a low, and now they're just becoming higher and higher. The highs here are staying the same, and then right when you get that to end of the consolidation, it just jumps and it goes crazy. So this right here is the end of consolidation. As we can see, we just hopped straight out of that consolidation there. So this is good news that Dogecoin is still on an uptrend now. So now we are really going up here on Dogecoin. So I didn't want to stay too much on the technicals. I just wanted to see what we're projecting here. So now we have to wait for this right here. So let me clear up all this on the screen. We pretty much have to wait for this area right here. We have to wait for more to come out of this, because we can continue to go, and like I said, anything can happen with Dogecoin and all the cryptos, because they really ultimately follow Bitcoin, and Bitcoin, as you can see, is at 13% up for the 24-hour period. So that's pretty good for all the other cryptos. So we can just automatically assume that every single crypto is about to go crazy right now. So honestly, looking at this, I'm going to tell you honestly what can end up happening. So what could end up happening right here is we could end up continuing to go up, or most likely would probably end up coming back down to the trend line, right, and reaching down here at this trend line. And then let's go over here to the longer chart here. So then once we reach that trend line, what we'll end up doing most likely, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, it's not financial advice, but we'll most likely end up doing, we'll most likely come to do something like this and continue to rise, possibly till we reach a point where we end up going back down on another downtrend until we come back on another uptrend. So this is kind of what Dogecoin's been doing for a while here. And when you kind of make that assumption there, you can make this assumption too. You can see it, and then you're like, oh, okay, so Dogecoin is pretty much still going up, but it's going up at a slower pace than what it was before. Because when you look at Dogecoin from a more broader perspective, let's look at the 4-hour chart. When you look at it from there, you can see when Dogecoin was having its jumps, they were huge jumps. They were really huge jumps, and then they were followed by really big dips. And what you can see now is that we're not having big jumps, but we're still having those dips, but we're not really having big jumps and big dips. They're really small jumps and really small dips. So that's honestly good right now for the technicals, because it tells us that we've stabilized and we've already bottomed out in crypto. And another thing, when you look at Bitcoin, you kind of see we've also already bottomed out inside of Bitcoin. So when you look over here with Bitcoin, you see way back here in 2017, we topped out here. So we hit a peak here, and then we came back, didn't really come back strong for another bull run until late 2019. So mid 2019, it starts to go crazy for its bull run, and then over here it starts to go down onto another bear run, and then it goes from 2019 to 2020 for the bear run, right? And then now mid 2020 is when we go on the bull run. Now we go crazy on the bull run all the way up here until about 2021. So for a full year, we were going crazy on a bull run. So pretty much we went crazy on the bull run for a full year. When you look over here and you see our last point of support or resistance and support, that was at $34,000. So looking over here, $30,000 seems like a good point of support for us. So honestly, I do not believe Bitcoin will go below $30,000. Honestly, if Bitcoin doesn't go below 30,000, that means everything else is going to continue to rise. And Bitcoin at 36,000 is really nice right now. So being up 14% in the last 28 or 24 hours, that's huge. That's really huge right now. So we're projected to continue to go up in Dogecoin and all the other cryptos, right? So let's go over here and look at our Dogecoin whales. So we do have some Dogecoin whales, and honestly, our whales are still holding. We still have the one that we believe to be Elon Musk to still be holding. So everyone's still holding. We still have a lot of diamond hands inside of Dogecoin. That's really good news that people aren't selling out. And the main thing is the top whales. All these other whales down towards the bottom, they matter, but they don't matter as much as the top whales. But looking at even the ones down here, they bought at 50 cents. Look, this whale bought in at 50 cents, $20 million at 50 cents, and then wow, it kept going down. They spent another $23 million at 50 cents. So then boom, it went all the way down to where it's at now. So this whale lost $10 million. So these whales are definitely not selling out because they know there's a lot of money to be made in Dogecoin. They lost a lot, but they know there's a lot to be made. So that's why we need to follow the whales as well. That's why I'm not selling any of my Dogecoins right now. Let's keep going over this. So Dogecoin is down for the 7th day in a row. The hourly view for Dogecoin, they're talking about how it's down for the 7th day in a row. So this is actually a good bullish sign. So whenever we have something that's down for so long, it's been down for so long, it's projected to go up because we've already bottomed out. Look here at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is already bottomed out. You can see since May 23rd, we've been going up. We've been going up very, very slowly. Let me say that. But we have been going up. Look, this is an uptrend right here. This is a whole uptrend right here. It has just been going up since May 23rd. And that's when we really bottomed out. That's when we hit our lowest with Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is going to the moon. I mean, every single crypto is going up right now. We already hit the bottom of our bear market, and the bear market for this time is going to be very small. And another thing, look at Bitcoin. This bear market for 2019 to about 2020, that was a small bear market. And that's kind of what we're seeing right now. We're seeing a bear market that is going to be small and not as big as what we had previously with all these other cryptos. So that's why I was looking at Bitcoin, because Dogecoin does follow Bitcoin. As you can see, Dogecoin up 10%. That's huge right there. So a lot of good stuff is going on here. It's down 7 days in a row. I mean, that's another good major catalyst right there. Like, we've been down for so much, we are bound to go up eventually because we have already bottomed out here. So let's look at what we have now. Dogecoin available in iTrustCapital Crypto IRA. So you can get Dogecoin in an IRA now. So that's a really major catalyst there. That means people are about to start holding Dogecoin for the long run. Let's read this article here. Okay, so they say what happened. iTrustCapital, a crypto IRA platform, just added the ability to invest directly in Dogecoin if you have a 401k or IRA account with them. So why it matters: traders often try to buy Dogecoin low and sell it much higher. Every time you make a crypto trade, you need to pay taxes on the profits. When trading Doge in an iTrustCapital crypto IRA, trades are tax-free. That's huge right there. Where's Doge going? While it's impossible to say if Doge is here to stay, we do encourage you to do your due diligence. And Doge is going up to a $1. We already know this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but we are going up to $1. And they're saying you can buy Doge in Coinbase, Gemini, Webull, eToro, Robinhood. Remember, I have links in the description for Robinhood and Webull. Remember, 3 free stocks with Robinhood, 4 free stocks with Webull. Then you check out the crypto.com link for free $25. You can get Dogecoin on every single one of those. So that is really big right there. Definitely get that. Where to put $100 right now? I would say Dogecoin. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want. So Revolt adds Dogecoin to crypto offering. This is huge that Revolt has added Dogecoin to the crypto offering. But remember, I already went over this yesterday. I just wanted to recap on this so that people know exactly where Dogecoin is going and our major catalysts that are just stacking up right now, back to back. Coinbase, major catalyst. We have this Dogecoin in Revolt, major catalyst. We have the Roth IRA that now has Dogecoin in it, major catalyst. So we have major catalysts just back to back to back with Dogecoin. So another one, Dogecoin frenzy forces UK manager to offload $1.1 billion Bitcoin cash. So Dogecoin FUD is continuing. The FUD everywhere. The fear, uncertainty, the doubt is continuing everywhere. So let's read this. United Kingdom-based fund manager Ruffer liquidated its 600 million Bitcoin bet after growing nervous about the speculative frenzy in the crypto market, including huge rallies in meme token Dogecoin. The fund, which manages roughly $34 billion for wealthy clients and charities, started selling its cryptocurrency stash in December 2020 when the Bitcoin exchange rate rose to $25,000. It continued selling as pair established blah blah blah. Dogecoin FUD. Ruffer's sequential Bitcoin dumps appeared in moments that saw analysts predicting greater valuations for the flagship crypto. So, for instance, JP Morgan said in a report published in January that Bitcoin could rise to 146K, blah, blah, blah. Ruffer clarified that it would consider repurchasing Bitcoin as an insurance against inflation, blah, blah, blah. But for now, they agreed Bitcoin is too hot to hold. And they said Bitcoin is too hot to hold, especially when Dogecoin, a joke-based crypto, is valued at 40 billion. So he said Dogecoin is not worth 40 billion. So look, there's so much FUD going on inside the crypto space. So much FUD going all over. I mean, I'm not with the FUD. I have diamond hands right now. My hands are complete diamond. Let's just keep reading the FUD, right? Pig token, Dogecoin's attention grabbing competitor. So now people are trying to compete with us with stuff called pig token. Like, I don't know what pig token is. No offense to all the people invested in pig token. I'm pretty sure you can make a lot of money in pig token, because with all these altcoins, I mean, these altcoins go up so huge so quickly. So yeah, make a killing in pig token. I mean, make a huge profit in pig token if you want, but I'm staying here with Dogecoin. Let's see what pig token is at. I know nothing about pig token. I don't even know if it's real. Piggy bank token. Okay, so I guess this is real. It's up 132%. Wow, yeah, I guess piggy token is real. It was up 132%. That's what I mean to say. And now piggy token is down a lot. So that's what we see for these tokens. It's like at the launch of all of them, they launch really big and then they drop really big. So I guess every single altcoin's having a huge launch here. So yeah, this is another Dogecoin FUD over here. Forget Dogecoin. These 3 stocks can make you richer. More Dogecoin FUD. I mean, look at this. Suncore Energy. I don't know nothing about it. Cineplex. Don't know nothing about it. And yeah, I guess they're only gonna do 5 this time. So yeah, I guess they did 2. So yeah, wow. So yeah, I don't believe Dogecoin is going to do less than the stock market. I mean, let's just look at the facts here for Dogecoin. I know I sound like a huge Dogecoin advocate here, but let's just look at the facts here compared to the stock market. So Dogecoin, the Dogecoin return on investment is 616,000% or 61,000%. I mean, so 61,000% return on investment. When you look at the all-time high for the return on investment, for the all-time low to the all-time high, it's 402,000% return on investment. If you would have sold Dogecoin at its all-time high and bought it at the all-time low, you would have had a 402,000% on your investment. That is way better than the stock market all-time. The stock market has never produced those results. From the 1900s till now, it's never produced those results. Dogecoin is the only one to produce those results. So, I mean, Dogecoin has already made history. That's why I'm saying Dogecoin is going to the moon. And we went this whole entire video without even talking about Elon Musk. So that's why we know Dogecoin is going to continue to go to the moon, because we didn't even need to mention Elon Musk to have 100%, found-based fundamentals right there. Like, we have 100% foundation just built right there. Like, I mean, we don't even need Elon Musk, but Elon Musk is a good factor to have, especially with the anonymous on Elon Musk. It definitely will help for Elon Musk. Probably not to say much about Dogecoin, because we don't want the anonymous thing to, ruin his image. But I don't know what's going on with that whole thing. That whole thing is crazy. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just a little update on Dogecoin and what Dogecoin is doing. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. Remember, for a limited time only, Robinhood will be giving you 3 free stocks and Webull will be giving you 4 free stocks if you sign up. So yeah, you can get Dogecoin on those platforms, and I will be back with another video. Peace.